Alrighty, let's do some cold starts. Figured I'd cold start all of the cars this morning. It's a little chilly. Started off here, 2000 Avalon. Current daily. Drove it yesterday, but it's obviously cold and probably out of focus. Starts up good. Let's see here, get focused. 239,468 on the clock, original motor, transmission, etc. Sounds like a charm. This is the car that I featured previously on my channel here. Still need to get that hood repainted. Thing looks rough. Got that side fix. Alright, on to the next. Alright, we'll move the Avalon because the keychain for the Honda's on the Avalon's keychain. So I will go ahead and jumpstart the Subaru first. Got the hood open on it. I think that's good. Let the Avalon warm up here. And we'll go ahead and start the Subaru. This is a 2001 Outback. Don't know if she'll start up or not. See if got the keyless. Alright, it unlocked, so it's got some battery. I know I haven't even moved this car in ages, so she's a 5-speed manual. Nope, she dead. Well, I'll bring the Avalon around and start her up. In the meantime, we'll go ahead and cold start the Honda. Alright, we got the cars hooked up here. Let's go ahead and... yeah, there's an engine view for the Avalon. She runs super good. She was just in the dealership for some maintenance recently. Alright, now for the Subaru. Where did I put the key? Here we go. Let's see if she starts. First try, just like I thought. You see that left turn signal? That thing has some glitch going on with it. Always doing the left signal. I don't drive this car though, the head gaskets are blown on it, so. She has 190,563 miles on her. It's a 2001. That clicking is so annoying. Came from New Mexico. Originally. It's currently not off because the head gaskets are blown and the stickers are outdated. Alright, well I'll go ahead and shut her down here because don't need to keep it running. Alrighty, next up we got the 2002 Honda Civic. Took the rear plate off because I was doing a detail a couple months ago. I really haven't even touched this car in months. It's been probably a month since I started her up. Battery's completely done on it, so see if she'll start. Ooh, she did not like that. She currently got 187,000 miles on the clock. Hear that whining noise? That would be the transmission. Ooh, these wipers are junk. Haven't even gotten in this car since rain happened. Hopefully there's no leaks in the roof. This is also a project car. Go ahead and lose these jumper cables because alternator can hold up just fine. See the date code on that battery? 12/2016. Battery's pretty dead. I'm gonna let her idle up a little bit. And we'll move the Audi back to her parking spot there. Try to avoid the mud puddle. Just had a little bit of rain come in. Don't get a ton of that around here. Get mostly sunny days here. So the Civic is a 2002, and it has, you know, 184,000 or whatever miles. Has its original plates and is also non-op. Tabs expired in October 2020. Transmission is bad on it. I think it's cool that the car has its original license plate. Alrighty. Put the Avi back, and we'll go jumpstart that, or we'll start up the other Honda. And my trusty, not so trusty right now, 2004 Honda Accord. Clutch is out on it right now. Did move this thing last night, drove it around the block. It is legal. She currently has 200, oh wow, my camera won't focus, 288,000 miles. That just rolled over 28888 the other day. Let's see if she'll start. A little clicky, a little tired. Motor has about 180,000 on it. Transmission is original, 6-speed manual. XM radio. This is a nice car. Hopefully we'll get this thing going again in the spring, Lord willing. That whining noise you hear from the Civic is actually, I think it's the transmission. It's the because when you put it in drive, the sound goes away. And also, if you can see, she moves today. Barely, it literally feels like a manual, like somebody doesn't know how to drive a manual. But the transmission is sitting in front of my house and I'm just waiting to put it in. The battery's shot on it. If I shut it down, it's dead. You can hear all them kinds of squeaking noises from the Honda. There's all kinds of stuff I need to sort with that thing. So as a bonus, we'll start up my housemates Mercedes ML350. It's the only other car here. Go ahead and unlock her. It's a very nice car. She's got a couple miles on her too. It's got all leather, Bose, nav. Let's see if I can get the key in here. Alright, start her up here. 3.5 power going. It's got a power steering line. That's concerning. It's a very, very, very nice car. It's got a timing chain rattle though, 183,100 miles. He does not drive a ton. Drove the car across the country from Georgia to California, and it did great. So I'll give it to that. And he's due for an oil change, so I'll have to do that for him. Lock it back up. Alrighty, thanks for watching.